see, I'm all patched up because I just came back from school. And no, it's never private school, even though I'm wearing a blazer. I just stand out. Hey! Where's my dinner money? No, yes, I've already been to school. I spent it all. I do like my cookies. Well, anyway, I learned a lot of stuff today. Look, tell the time. It's 2 o'clock, as you can see. But I've got to go soon. An hour, because at 1 o'clock I'm going to have my dinner. Yes. And you know what else I've learned? Lots of English, lots of science, and lots of maths. And here is my English. The boy was called... Wendy. Yeah, that's it, Wendy. And as you can see, she went down far distance. And she was lost. The end. See, that is the best sentence I can ever come up with. Stay nice and tight. Nice tie. Yes, nice and tidy now. Now then, no, where was I? Oh yes, maths. To go 3 times 3 equals 18. Yes, that's it. 4 times 2 equals 20. I'm getting so good at these. Although, you might be getting bored now, so let's move on to the science. Now, I'm going to turn this, like, what would you call it, like, tree? Yes, that's it, a tree. It's like a baboon tree. Into it's a quite tall and plucky tree. Turn it into a rocket. Need to loosen this off the ground a bit now. Tough one you aren't you? But take hold of this. And this is my PE now. I practice the spear at the rugby tackle. You should take it off the ground. Get on, go shielding. Flies in my mouth. You're tough on you. Just like my old friend, Tommy. Why won't you come off the ground? Well, anyway. Maybe something a bit lighter with my science. Turn this into you ready? Look. As you can see, I'm really strong. Comes in exhausted. How much I could lift? 2 kilograms. 3. 2. Where's it go? Wow! You can see the fire! I'm going now. It's getting late.
Son, have you got your bag? Naughty Smash, you better get back with it now! What is he like? I don't know. Sons.